One of the key updates in BS7671 Amendment 4 is the introduction of new requirements for functional earthing and equipotential bonding, specifically for information and communication technology equipment and systems. Why is this important? Modern ICT setups, from data centers to smart building networks, rely on stable earthing to prevent interference and maintain system integrity. These new rules help ensure safety and performance by reducing risks like electromagnetic disturbances and potential differences that could damage sensitive equipment. As technology advances, these standards keep installations reliable and future ready. Want the full details? Pre-order your copy today at the iet.org/gettheregs before the official release on April the 15th, 2026.